In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a chat in Microsoft Teams Essentials. Microsoft Teams Essentials is a collaborative platform that is great for both personal and professional use. Knowing how to start a chat is pretty essential to getting the most out of Teams, and that's what we're going to dive into right now. First things first, let's get started by opening Microsoft Teams on your device. Depending on your setup, you might be working from a desktop, laptop, or mobile device. Whichever it is, open the application to access Teams. Once you've got Teams up and running, you'll notice a variety of options on the left-hand menu. One of those options, which is hard to miss with its speech bubble icon, is Chat. Go ahead and click on that. Now, we're ready to dive into initiating a conversation. At the top of your chat list, you'll see an option that says New Chat with a plus sign next to it. When you click on this, a new chat window will open. In the field marked 2, you can type the person's name, email, or phone number you wish to chat with. One great feature here is that you can also add more than one person if you want to start a group chat. Just keep typing in the names, emails, or numbers until you have everyone included. Next, it's time to craft your message. At the bottom of the chat window, you'll find a message box where you can type in whatever you'd like to say. Once you're happy with your message, simply press Enter if you're on a desktop or web version, or tap the send icon if you're using the mobile app. Your chat is now underway. Now, let's talk a bit about team communication. When you're working with various groups, it can be handy to name and describe your team for better organization. In the chat window, you can enter a team name, something descriptive like Marketing or Project Alpha, that makes it clear what the group is focused on. You also have the option to include a description to further elaborate on the purpose of the team. Once you've done that, go ahead and click Create. Finally, you're ready to expand your team by adding members. In the Add Members section, type in the names, email addresses, or even whole groups you'd like to include. With everyone added, you'll have a strong hub for all your communication needs within Teams. So there you have it. You've successfully learned how to start a chat in Microsoft Teams Essentials, create a team for your projects, and get everyone connected. This basic knowledge will make collaborating more efficient and keep your team connected seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting with Microsoft Teams.